Welcome to my channel, and today's video is going to be this will be my first first palette in the what is it called? Perfect World collection by Oden's Eye. And the first palette I'm going to be using is the Battybean palette. It's the Planet Spirit palette, Oden's Eye and Battybean. And can you guys see that? And then here's the inside of this beautiful palette. And I'm just really excited to use this. The shades are absolutely beautiful. Those shimmers look amazing. So let's go ahead, get started, and see what kind of look that we recreate. I've been like having a lot of issues when I go to talk lately. Like I just get so jumbled and my brain says things I don't mean to say. I'm just gonna go with I've just been exhausted for too long. Okay, so I want to start with the shade Kingdom right here, which is this really, really pretty green shade. Is that what I wanted to do? Dang it. There's so many pretty you know what? No. We're going to change that up. Ignore what I just said. We're going to start with this shade Pride, which is this pretty purple shade right here. Because I'm really wanting to go in with that green shimmer on the lower lid. So let's start out with the shade Pride and let's see where we go from there. This is very, very pigmented, beautiful, so pretty. Okay. I'm filming a lot. I am just dragging butt today. Like I am just, I don't know. It's like, I don't know. I got out for a little bit yesterday. I mean, I didn't do anything crazy, but it just, I don't know. It just took everything out of me. My energy levels have been completely depleted. I'm hoping now that like it's pretty much springtime here, and I'm hoping like as we get more sunshine that will kind of help me have a little more energy, because winters are always really, really rough. I mean, even though this winter wasn't that bad, there were just still some days where it was just more dark and gloomy, and you know, it was just cold enough, and I just had enough stress and stuff going on where I didn't really get out. So I'm trying to get out on the weekends when I can, since I don't have enough time on work days to get outdoors. So yeah, but then it's like I'm getting out for just a little bit Saturday, and I am just completely drained come Sunday. So it's kind of rough. I'm just trying to figure my body out. I've just been through a lot, and just trying to figure out what my body needs, because sorry, there was just a weird noise, but it sounded like it was like right next to me, and I don't know what it was. And it kind of freaked me out. That was, oh God, I can't wait till we can like get out of this house, hopefully one day in like the next couple of years, because this house is like for sure haunted and stuff happens, and it's just kind of creepy, and I don't like it. Okay, now I want to go in with the shade Rescue, which is this hot pink right here. And I'm not really sure what I'm going to do with that. I'm just going to kind of try and blend it a little bit lower than the darker purple shade, and just kind of blend it into it just a little bit. These are really, really pretty shades. Very, very, very pretty. Okay. Yeah, these are gorgeous. There is some kick up, whatever. But I mean, I don't really mind. It's not really getting on my face. It's just a little bit in the pan. Okay, now for the star of the show. Just because I love the shimmer shades. Like, the mattes are gorgeous too, but I'm just always gonna prefer shimmers to mattes. We're gonna go into, that was my box dropping, with the shade Familiar, which is the shade right here. Just, ooh, so pretty. I'm just really excited. Just, can you see just how beautiful this looks on the brush? Just, oh my god. Just, oh, I love it. Ooh. Gently blend that up into the pink. Oh, that shimmer. Ooh. It's beautiful. I am just in love with this. Oh, this is just so beautiful. Oh my god, it's, oh yes. I just cannot just get over how beautiful this green shade is. I mean, it's like the most beautiful shimmer green. And this is like a full shimmer. It's not like, I don't know, you got like more metallic and just a little bit of shimmer. I mean, this is like, the shimmer is here. It just looks so beautiful and it just goes on just so smoothly. I just, ooh, yes, 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 yes. I don't even want to stop putting it on because it's so pretty. I mean, I have to stop, but I don't want to. I think I'm just gonna swatch this on my hand for you guys too, because it's easier for me to, like, I can get my hand closer to the camera, so you guys can see it a little better. Can you guys just see just how beautiful that is? Let me try it. I mean, that is, I actually think it looks better on the eyes. It looks more shimmery on my eyes for some reason, than my hand, but oh my gosh, it is just so beautiful. Okay, now I gotta do the lower lash line, which, let me see. I'm going to use the shade Sanctuary, which is the shade right here. I want to take some of this purple shade right here. It's called Kindred, right there. And I just want to put that on the lower lash line as well, just because it looks really, really pretty. And I just feel like it'll be a good... yes. Just a good mix with that pink shade. Holy crap, you guys. That's pretty. Alright. Yeah, that's really, really, really pretty. Now I need to do my lower inner corner to highlight that, and we're gonna go in with this shade. It's really hard to see these shade names. It's Fauna, which is this shade right here. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Like, I love this. I just love it. Alright, you guys, so I am going to go do my mascara and I'll be right back. Alright, so I am back and this is the finished look. It's just, I'm not kidding, like these shimmers are phenomenal. Like, can you see that? Whew, I absolutely love this palette. Like, their shimmers are phenomenal. And this lip that I'm wearing, it's just so fun. It's a perfect, like, spring lip. It is the NYX Smooth Whip Matte Lip Cream. And it is in the shade Pom Pom. And it's just, oh, you guys, this is just so fun. And I feel like it goes with this look perfectly. Here's the applicator. And I'll just do a little swatch on the back of my hand. These lips are just absolutely amazing. If you haven't tried these, pick them up. I think they're about $8 at Ulta. I'm not sure if they're, some of the shades, you can see that a little better. Some of the shades are starting to show up on Amazon, but not all of them. So I'd check Ulta if you want like a full selection, because they got some really, really, really cool shades in this formula. So again, this is the finished look. Let me try and, I always try and get a little closer to the camera, but I have to like either stand up or like sit up in my chair, which is very painful. This chair is like, it's wood and like the edges are like super, super sharp. So, but yeah, you guys, here's the look. Just, I love it. It is with the Oden's Eye and Battybean Planet Spirit palette. And here's what the inside looks like. I mean, just a beautiful, beautiful palette. I do have the other two, because there were 3 in the collection. I'll go ahead and show you guys really quick. So this is the Sea Talk palette, and I'm gonna feel really dumb right now, because, okay, so it's Lauren. I feel like with her YouTube, she has her last name added, but I don't want to say it in case I get it wrong. But here's this palette. For some reason, this one makes like a loud popping noise when I open it. I'm not sure why, but here are those shades. And then the last one, it is Oden's Eye and Makeup Just for Fun, the Flora Story palette. You guys, I feel like my lights are too bright. There you go. And then here's the inside of this palette. And I mean, these are all just beautiful palettes, so I will probably film with the other two next weekend. So within the next couple weeks, you guys should be seeing all of these videos come up. So thank y'all so much for tuning in, for watching this video, for supporting my channel. It means so much to me. Please just have a wonderful day, night, morning, whatever it is, wherever you happen to be. And just stay safe. Just know that you're loved, you're amazing, and I will see y'all in the next one.